Woohoo! Back from the scrapyard. I found exactly the same ECU with the same part number. Check. Now I connect the replacement ECU again to my scan tool here on my bench and see if it communicates, but it will do, I'm sure. And then I have to open up both. I hope I can read the old one with my K-Tech tool from China, I know, but it works fine so far. And then I clone all the data from the original ECU to the replacement ECU. This way I have no worries with the immobilizer, and it's plug and play after. And I have the correct software version and everything same as the old was. Now let's do this. Okay, wire it up the same as before. Now power it up. And as you can see, the new one does something at the first power on. Don't know what it is, but it's different from the bad one. Now let's see what happens here. Engine module again. Yes, that works. Good. Next thing, open up and see if I can clone this from the old one. Just short, by the way, I removed the battery too and bring it home. This battery is so flat, it's discharged since July of 2018, and I don't have really hope, but let's see what we can do. Let the C-Tech doing its thing, and let's check what happens tomorrow. Or let it sit for 2 days and see what we can get. 2 days after, I'm back to the battery, and check this out. The C-Tech was able to charge it. It's fantastic. But I will do check with the picoscope battery test and see what this says. For now, I'm gonna take this battery now with me and install back to the car and see how it goes. I'm back here, back to the car. It's freezing cold. Have a fresh programmed ECU for this car, and also a fully charged battery. Let's go to work. I think I have to clean and dry the connectors first before I reconnect the ECU. All is wet and snowing here. Snow here, full of snow. Fresh ECU is in. I have dried out the connectors with hot air gun before. It's all wet here. Now connect the battery. And see if it will start. Where is the key? Here. So, moment of truth. Dashboard lights up with the old battery. This is so far so good. Let's try. Yeah! Now with the engine running, I can heat up the car here and do my diagnosis inside. It's more comfortable now. Control unit. No, let's do a gateway scan. We have this warning lights here. It's only this is the important, and the steering. No other messages so far. Still scanning. Oh. Fault. Let's go one by one. Trouble codes. Drivetrain missing from the transmission module. Okay, this I was expecting. Brakes. What's here? Sorry for the glare. No come with the ECU, but it's talking. The ECU, sporadic, okay. We have also no communication to the transmission. Air conditioning, what's here? Defroster flap. Now come to the ECM. Steering. Okay, nothing dramatic. Basically, we have still no com with the transmission module. Let's go chasing this problem now. I have realized that I can't move the shifter, which makes sense, but I hear clicking, but it doesn't move anyways. So now back to the wiring diagram. Here is our transmission control module. Voltage. Go to the voltage supply. As I see, J217, this is our automatic gearbox control unit. It's under the left front wheel housing liner. So I have to remove the front wheel now. And it has two power feeds, one from here that goes to B, and B comes from here, from this fuse, and this power feed here, there are two power feeds, two big ones. I think this is the main power. This is a supply for the logic, I think. Don't know. It comes from, sorry, B136, which comes from this fuse here, SB28. I don't believe it's a fuse because if you remember, I have checked all the fuses and I suspect we have a faulty transmission control module. Now let's go remove the wheel and find this module. And we have a special nut here, anti-theft, and I myself don't have such a key. I hope I can find it in the car somewhere. Let's see. Luckily, I found it in the trunk. I have removed the wheel now and the inner fender and found the module here, over there, behind the fender, about here. Let's unplug the connector and do some measurements. I'm going to check power and grounds first. Here on this, it only has one connector, pin 3. We have a red and yellow wire, and pin 17, 27 and 28 we have black and blue wires, two big ones. Also the grounds, they are here on pin 1 and 2. Also two big ones, brown. Let's go and check those. I have connected my test lamp to battery positive. I'm gonna check grounds now. In parallel to the test lamp I have my multimeter. This is my test lamp here. These 4 here are the big ones, the big wires. This both is ground, and this both should be battery positive, and this should also be battery positive. This is pin 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. 24, 25. Let's check ground. No, sorry, I did connect right. Okay. Test lamp lights up. 12 volts. Okay. And this one is also good. I made bad contact. 12.2, this is good. Let's switch now to battery negative. Okay. This is the small one, 12 volts, okay. And this both should also have 12 volts. No? What the hell? No? Nothing there. What's wrong here? Let's check the schematic. Now I have this main power feed here, which is okay, and this both I'm missing. This feed comes from this fuse here, SB28. What's wrong here? Check where this fuse lives and see if we have power in the main fuse box. Where is my cursor here? Okay, this is our fuse box. And SB28, where is it? 23, 26. No. No. Where is it? Here. This middle one. This should be 20 amps. Check if you have power on this fuse. Oh, I have closed the fuse box already. Man, again, here is no fuse. What the hell is going on here? Somebody was here and poked around and made more faults. Let's put in a fuse. Check again if we have power. this here. Aha. Now we have power back. Was this all? Reconnect the connector and see if the transmission module is now online. Connector plugged back in. Ignition on. Aha. We have more warning lights. Transmission control module. Yes! Unbelievable! I will talk with the owner of this shop here and ask what happened to this car, because this cannot be. Somebody was here. We have massive trouble codes. Let's clear this out first. Okay, no fault. I'm gonna install back the wheel now and see if I can move the shifter. I don't want to try to move, or more, I can try without the engine. Aha! I can move the shifter! So this car should be a runner now. Install back the wheel and see if we can drive. Lowering the car down. Wow. Man, this is unbelievable. The only thing this car had was a faulty ECU, nothing more. After this battery accident, I expected at least 2 or more burned modules, but no, only the ECU, and somebody installed 2 fuses wrong. Now I'm gonna make a gateway scan and clear all faults and make a test drive and see if we get any more trouble codes back. I hope not. It's nice and warm here inside. Radio works. Fault. Erase. See how the warning lights go out. We still have a fault for the steering assistance because the steering angel sensor is not calibrated. And we have a fault for air conditioning. What does this symbol mean? Why is it there? And this, what is this? We have no fault codes on the ABS or brakes module. Air conditioning doesn't matter. Steering assistance. Steering angel sensor. basic setting lost. This is I think what we have here. Now what is to do? During a test drive. I go for a test drive now. I hope this fault goes away. It's dark now. I have reassembled all removed parts and let's see if we can move. Oh, don't drive over the people. We are moving! We are moving! Yeah! We are test driving now about 1 kilometer and no more test lights. Warning lights, I mean. I would say this car is fixed. See you next. Oh, the police. See you next time. Bye bye.